In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Maulvi Muhammad Taqi, the foreign minister, meets with the Speaker of Bangladesh Parliament in Tehran to discuss strengthening bilateral relations. Kabul hosts the second round of Afghanistan-Russia political consultations, both sides emphasizing expanded economic cooperation. And billions of euros continue to be exchanged between the European Union and Israeli regime aimed the ongoing genocide allegations in Gaza. Welcome to Urooj Daily Brief News Package. It's Saturday, the 18th of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 13th of Saratan 1405, and the 1st of July 2026. The news details. Maulvi Muhammad Taqi, the foreign minister, met with Hafizuddin Ahmad, the Speaker of the Parliament of Bangladesh in Tehran, to discuss ways to strengthen bilateral relations between Afghanistan and Bangladesh, with particular emphasis on expanding trade cooperation. Based on the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Maulvi Taqi described the trade potentials between the two countries as significant and stressed that the opportunities should be fully utilized to promote economic growth and mutual prosperity. The second round of political consultations between the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan and Russia was held in Kabul. The discussions focused on enhancing economic cooperation, increasing bilateral trade, creating new investment opportunities, and advancing practical collaboration to activate regional transport and transit corridors. Both sides described the consultations as an important mechanism for strengthening bilateral relations and advancing shared interest. It was also agreed that the third round of consultation will be hosted in Moscow. The news continuation. The Minister of Public Health has announced the dispatch of shipment of medicines valued $615,000 to provincial hospitals and healthcare centers across Nangarhar province. The shipment includes 64 types of medicines designated for the provincial hospitals and 62 types for healthcare centers in the province's district, with the aim of strengthening the delivery of essential medical services. And ultimately, according to a recent report, billions of euros continue to be exchanged between the institutions of the European Union and Israeli regime, despite the ongoing war in Gaza and allegation of genocide against Israel. Citing with the report, Al Jazeera stated that the economic exchange have continued despite widespread international criticism of Israel's military campaign in Gaza. The news conclusion. Thank you for being with us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.